Hello, thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD to take a look at some of the setup features in TotalMD. All setup is done under the Setup tab at the top in the middle, and what we're going to look at today is under Accounting Setup. We're going to set up the fee schedules for your practice. This is how the system knows what to charge for what CPT codes. It's important to note that the first one is going to default if you don't choose another one in an insurance plan, which then attaches to the patient and will populate the charges in the ledger. By double-clicking or editing the fee schedule to the left, you can see that I have all of the CPT codes in here. Those can be purchased to be loaded into your system, or you can add them yourself, or you can use Coding Advisor to load them. There are 3 ways to get them into the system. Once you have your CPT code in, then you put in the price that you're going to charge for that procedure. And then when you are in the ledger and your insurance defaults to this fee schedule, those are the charges that will be populated in the ledger. So from the fee schedule, once you save the changes, then you can see that each one of these is a little bit different because we've got different pricing for each one. This is a very simple process to do. However, if you have questions about setting up your fee schedules, please give us a call here at TotalMD, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training. Any of us would be happy to help you get your fee schedules set up.